Hi everyone. Today I want to take you along with me as I get dressed to go to the doctor using pieces from Curateur's The Welcome Box for Fall. Every season, Curateur comes up with a box set that you can see my video over here of the fall edition. They also come along with a smaller box. This box costs about $50 and you get about $600 worth of merchandise. I know it's a steal, but in order for you to do that, become committed to a subscription box that is quarterly. The fall welcome box was inspired by Iris Apfel's 100th birthday, so she is a style icon. The pieces in it were inspired by her. So there are 3 pieces on this box that they sent me, and thank you Curateur for sending me this lovely PR box. There are 3 different versions of it, and you can choose one of the 3 or actually buy all 3 of them because there are different items in every one. So the ones that they sent me was the 3rd one. I'll put the name right here. It comes with this lovely purse that was designed by Rachel Zoe. I love the knot details. Inside it has a detachable pochette. There you go. The color is aubergine and it's just a lovely color for fall. I think anybody can use this. It's a good size purse. I love this kind of carry-all bag because I tend to carry a lot of stuff around. So along with that purse, they sent me this lovely necklace. You can see the price for the necklace right here. And it was just so funny that in the fall when I selected my fall box, I also bought an extra earring, and you will see the earrings that absolutely match. I think they're from the same collection and they're lovely. I didn't want to wear the earrings today because I'm going for a very casual visit to the doctor. I just wanted to look unfussed. And it's a knee doctor, so I had to wear a dress. And I wore an eyelet dress, so definitely still a summer dress, but in black. So I felt like the colors would match. This dress is from J. Crew, but I also picked up these J. Crew shoes that are just lovely with the black tassels. I think they are not in trend right now. Even though they're pointy and ballet flats, I just adore them. I think they're lovely and they look great with this dress, and it will bring that feel of fall to my outfit. My nail polish is beautiful, Sally Hansen. I just think that this color is just so beautiful. Kind of like a terracotta color that's very in right now in furnishings, but I always think that furnishings move into clothing later within a year or so. The lipstick also came in one of my boxes. I'll put a link in here to a video, and I didn't put it full on. I just smudged it a little bit. That's the only color you see on my face. That and the brown eyeliner that I wanted to be a little dramatic. So what I did with my makeup is I clearly did not go for the heavy makeup look. Actually, I have no foundation and no blush or eyeshadows. All I did is I took really good care of my skin this morning. I used these 2 products from the Glow Box, and I'll put a video link right there to the Glow Edit from Look Fantastic. And I think it just gave my skin that beautiful, healthy glow that I wanted for the day. Just low maintenance, but still a little stylish. The last item that came on my box was the Ella Loose lip gloss, and it has little gold flakes in it. I just thought it was really cute. So it hydrates your lips. It feels very smooth and it goes on very softly. It almost melts into your lips as you put it on. And I put the lipstick over it, and so it will keep my lips protected and moisturized for the day. Also on my skin, to complete that glowy in the summer, beginning of fall look. I am recording this on the very first day of fall, and it's 90 degrees here in Houston, maybe 84. Maybe it's not very hot, but it will be hotter than most parts of the country. So I put a little bit of highlighter. This is the product I used. And I just spread it on the areas where the sun would hit, just to give that healthy glow look. I really enjoy not wearing a whole lot of makeup, but yet look like I put a little bit of effort into my look. And I found that highlighting my eyes and my cheeks is usually what works best for me. So there it is. That's my get ready with me. Let's go to the knee doctor in the hot weather just as fall begins. I had to check a bunch of boxes to get this accomplished. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.